Hello everyone, welcome to ABDUL Studios. So today we are going to learn how to remove background from pictures or objects. So there are various ways of removing background from an object. We'll talk about just a few. So before I start, I would like to change the orientation of my page. I would like to use 3D space. So you go to Windows, Workspace, then choose 3D. This is how I prepare my interface. So I've imported some tests I'll use to undertake this exercise. So first, let's start with a simple one. We can use the pen tool, you can use the quick select, object selection, you can use options from select or options from property. So let's start with. Okay, you could also use magic eraser. So before you can be able to use the magic eraser, select what you want to remove, what you want to erase the background, the object which you want to remove the background. You right click on that background, that object, and then right choose rasterize layer. So here we are. What the magic eraser does is that it removes the color which you select on the object. So over here I'm going to select black, so it's going to take off every black on the object, provided it is on the same space, it is not separated by any other color. So you could see that this is not going to be affected because it's separated by white over here. So check it out. Boom, you see it, very simple. So our background is removed. So let's try the second one. Let's use options from a select. So over here I select my image, go to select, and then I select subject. So I wait for it to load. After loading, you realize it's going to highlight the subject, the important part, the place it's going to focus on. So let's wait for it to load. Alright, so you see the highlighted part, the selected part. So we could use different techniques, but what I normally use is I use my Ctrl+G to duplicate the selected part, then I hide the original one. So you see, nicely done. I hope you are following. Yeah. So let's try this one as well. So this is my property tab. Because of the orientation of my interface, this is my property tab, and then if you scroll down, you realize that we have remove background. If you don't see it, all you have to do is right click and then what, rasterize the layer. It will appear over there. So let's see this one over here. You will see that there's nothing like remove background over here, but immediately I right click and rasterize. So we scroll down again, we see remove background. I hope you understand. So let's show you this. Just tap on remove background. It's going to remove the background automatically, just like other website like remove.bg does it. Yeah, it's going to take its time to remove the background. So let's take note of this because it works for the automatic one. It works with how sharp your image looks. See, this one is photo shoot, so it's very sharp. Let's try using this. You see what I'm talking about. Remove background. It's not too sharp. See, from this side there are some blurry surfaces over there. Let me hide this. See over here, because it wasn't able to pick the actual color, there are some parts, then some needed part that's also erased. So you have to take into consideration that the type of picture you are about to move the background. You should be very sharp as possible. So if it's not too sharp, that's when you can use the pen tool and the others. So I don't want the video to be too long. I will end here and see you some other time. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.